If you use power tools, electric landscaping equipment, or need to power something from a distant outlet, extension cords are essential. They extend the reach of your tools and appliances, overcoming power cord and outlet limitations. Our team of product experts thoroughly vet every product we recommend to help you cut through the clutter and find what you need. Starting at number 5, we have the Anker USB-C Power Strip Extension Cord. This extension cord is the most compact, making it perfect for small spaces and travel. If you don't feel like looking at bulky, heavy-duty cords in your bedroom or office, this Anker model is a compact and aesthetically pleasing choice. Although it's technically more of a power strip than an extension cord, we feel that the 5-foot cord length and three-prong outlets are more useful for those who just need to extend computer monitor and lamp cords a few extra feet. The 2 USB-A and single USB-C ports are also handy for charging mobile devices and tablets. We also found this cord's flat plug shape to be much more convenient than traditional extension cords for placing behind bedside tables and desks. It's also available in 3 different colorways too, including this wooden gray option, so you can easily match it to your existing workspace. In 4th place, it's the Goodyear Extension Cord Reel. This one is the best retractable reel, offering convenience and easy storage for any workspace. This retractable reel model is definitely pricier than regular extension cords, but you can't beat its convenience and organizational benefits. It's designed to lock the 40-foot cord at whatever length you prefer and retract it back whenever you're finished with your task. The reel mount features a 180-degree swivel bracket that can be attached to the wall or ceiling, adding lots of mobility and cord placement options while you work. The cord itself is also well-suited for outdoor use, like open or covered garages, and operates in temperatures as high as 221 F and as low as -58 F. A light-up LCD illuminates the 3-prong female end, so you're never left guessing whether your tools are powered up or not. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics 20-foot extension cord. This extension cord is the best light-duty option, ideal for everyday household use. For a reliable, light-duty extension cord at a budget-friendly price, this 20-foot option is a great choice. It's under $20 and covers most basic needs. During testing, we found it impressively flexible and not too stiff, even right out of the box. The cord has all essential information printed directly on it, including voltage, temperature limits, and the UL number, making it easy to reference without needing the packaging. The strain relief collars are sturdy, adding to its durability. While it only has 1 female outlet, making it less ideal for multiple devices, this simplicity keeps it lightweight at just 1.6 pounds. Coming in at number 2, we have the Southwire heavy-duty 3-prong extension cord. This is the most affordable heavy-duty extension cord, providing durability at a great price. This reasonably priced, heavy-duty extension cord powers larger tools like table saws and grinders. It's durable enough to withstand the abuse of a busy garage or workshop, and unlike lower-quality options, won't mark up floors or walls as you work. We love the bright yellow color too, which makes it much less likely to be a tripping hazard. The light-up power indicator is another useful perk, letting you know that power is flowing through the cord and whatever you have plugged into it is ready to operate. The 50-foot length does contribute to its 6.87-pound weight, though, so it may not be practical if you want a less bulky model. If any quality control issues do come up, the 5-year warranty has you covered. And taking the top spot at number 1, it's the US wire and cable extension cord. This extension cord is the best overall, offering superior quality and performance for all your power needs. This 12-gauge, 50-foot extension cord is both sturdy and flexible. The lighted end is particularly useful in dark workspaces, indicating when it's ready to use. Testing showed no performance issues after 48 hours in a 0-degree freezer, with only minimal flexibility loss. The cord is designed for extreme temperatures, ranging from -94 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. The pink and blue jacket makes it easy to spot and reduces tripping hazards. It's also resistant to abrasion and oil, making it durable for garage or worksite use. Despite the higher price, the lifetime warranty adds significant value. In summary, extension cords are useful accessories for when you need power anywhere in or outside your home. Our testing uncovered high-quality, versatile options for all power needs, whether it's yard work, indoor tools, or decoration. Consider your projects and placement to pick the right spec cord. Decorative styles hide in plain sight, while tough outdoor varieties handle tough jobs. Now you can power devices anywhere problem-free, saving time and reducing frustration. Choose an extension cord that meets your power needs and location from our recommended products.